John at Restoration X Cycle, and today we have Brett's 1979 CR250. Man, that's a fun bike. I'm starting to get sold on Honda now. Yeah, this will be the last bike I do for 2025. Start out next year doing an 85 YZ125 and a bunch right behind it. But yeah, this is a great bike. I hope Brett's happy with it. Boy, it's fun to ride. Boy, that's a lot of power. Real responsive. But yeah, we're going to close the book on 2025, and we're going to hit it hard next year. As I said in a previous post, I'm going to have right shoulder surgery. Not quite sure when yet, but I've got to work through the pain and just get it done. So no one else here to do the work except me, but it is what it is, and we're going to get it done and work on the next project. And please support Restoration X Cycles by sharing these videos to everyone you possibly can. Without you guys, this is not possible. I appreciate everybody that follows the page, and hope everybody has a good holiday season, and we will catch you next year.